Kernel Extractor for PDF is a robust tool that supports extracting data from a PDF file. With this tool, it's easy to save images, text, bookmarks, hyperlinks, and comments in the desired format within your local storage. The tool supports extracting data from a password-protected PDF too simply by adding it and then entering the password to unlock it. Let's proceed to learn about the detailed procedure for using Kernel Extractor for PDF. Press Windows plus Q and enter Kernel Extractor for PDF. Now launch the tool, which will open the home screen with all the features. On the screen of the tool, go to the PDF icon at the top and there click on File and select Add File to import your PDF files. You can also add a folder by clicking on the Add Folder option below Add File. Now, choose PDF files from your local system and add to the tool by clicking on Select. Mark the checkbox placed before the PDF file and then click on Remove button to remove a file from the list. The cross icon adjacent to remove all the selected PDF files and the lock icon placed beside, unlock any password-protected PDF. Select Preview Image option by clicking on Preview button to see the images added in the PDF file. When you select any particular image listed from the PDF preview, one can actually preview images individually. Now select Preview Text to get a preview of only the text from the selected PDF file or select Preview to view whole PDF before you extract PDF file. Now move to the Filters for Extraction section. Here, go to the Image tab, and mark the checkbox Extract Images to extract images from PDF. This tool also allows easy selection of the output type to save images into different format. Go to the Text tab and mark the box Extract Text to extract text from the PDF file and then adjust the text setting to save text into given format. Similarly, you can go to each tab and mark the checkbox if you want to extract the data and then define the format to which you're looking to save the data. Apply Page Filter to select all pages, even pages, odd pages, page ranges, or page numbers to extract data from. This will help in eliminating unnecessary data from accumulating on your system. Then click Extract button. Select the destination to provide a location where you want to save the extracted data to your local storage. Extraction of PDF contents has begun. Click on Stop button if you want to stop the process before completion. Once the extraction of PDF file is complete, click on the given path to your system and locate the data extracted. The data is extracted to a folder labeled PDF Extractor followed by the time and date of extraction. It contains all the content types saved in different folders named by the type of data within the main folder. The selected PDF files are now extracted to a folder in your system's local or network drive. You can use them as per your requirements. To learn more about Kernel Extractor for PDF in detail, visit the following link to our website. Have a great day.